Alright guys, so as you can see, there are two diffs here. This one right here is for the FD. This is the FD diff. This one right here is from a junkyard. You get it for like 90 bucks at the junkyard, the whole thing. I did it from a pull-it-yourself junkyard, so 92 bucks for the whole thing. And now this is from a RX8. So what people have been telling me is that the gears inside are interchangeable, and apparently this diff cover is actually better than the regular FD one because it actually has better cooling fins. As you can see, these ones are not as big and they're shorter. And right here you can see that they don't go all the way down. On the RX8 they go from up here all the way down, whereas this one it like cuts off right here. So apparently this diff cover is better because it has a little bit better fins, so it cools a little bit better. So I'll probably switch those out. I guess I broke mine when I removed it. I didn't even notice that. But there's that. And from what people are telling me is that the LSD in the RX8 is a little better than the one in the FD. And maybe not better as in like locking or slipping wise, but as in not breaking the gears. Because I don't know, it's well known that the Torsen, the FD has a Torsen style one, and those are known to break, where the RX8 has like a more traditional one, style LSD, I guess, with springs in it. And so the gears, I guess, are a little bit stronger. I don't know if stronger or less prone to break. So I'm gonna be doing that, as well as I'm not sure, this is a 444 gear and this is a 410 gear. So with this you'll have a little bit better acceleration. Your gears will be a little shorter, but you lose top end speed. Whereas this, your acceleration might not be as good, but you'll have a lot more a little bit more top end speed. So, and like highway, you know, you'll be like a lower RPM and stuff like that with this one. I'm not sure if I'm gonna switch out the gears. I may stick with the 410, but I know that the Torsen differential is known to break, so I was just like, you know what, I'll try it out and see what happens. And go from there. But yeah, right now I just gotta take the gears out of this one and swap them over. Yeah, I think I'm probably gonna stay with the 410. I don't think it might get up and go a little better with the 444, but I don't know. For me, I would like to keep the highway and stuff like that on the top end a little bit right there. So, but yeah, these are both the diffs. And actually the diff cases, they're actually slightly, ever so slightly different. Otherwise I probably would have just popped this one in instead of swapping the gears, or just popped it in just for ease. But yeah, I think like the mounting points are just a little bit different. You can see right here, these are a little farther, whereas these ones are closer, and that's just a little bit different. You can see the pinion is a little different on the two. So but the diff covers are interchangeable. They swap in and out. So yeah, I guess I'll get to it. Alright guys, so both the gears are out right now. This is the RX8 one. This is the FD one. As you can see, that's the Torsen. And then this is just the regular RX8 with the springs in it. So 410, 444, and I'm gonna see how it goes. I hope it's straightforward. They should interchange, and yeah, this kind of looks like it's spaced out right there. There's a spacer in there possibly, whereas the FD ones doesn't have that. I'm not sure, it might be a little thicker for the spacing, so I'm gonna see how I could do everything, how I could get the spacing and all that figured out. And other than that, I mean, the bearings look good, so gonna figure that out and then go from there. Back here with another video. As you guys can see, there's another box here. So let's see what's inside. Got it open. Actually, let's see. I'm surprised. I would think, I keep thinking these things would be in like a bigger box, but surprisingly they're not. Alright. Oh, let me do this one first. So, this right here is the Bonsai differential brace. Looking pretty good. No real reason why I went with this one, just for the fact that it was cheaper than other ones. So no real reason why I went and chose this one. I'm not sure if any of the other ones are better or what the case is, but decided to go with this one just for the fact it was just a little bit cheaper. So save the money where you can, you know. But nonetheless, doesn't seem too bad. Looks decent. Nothing out of this world, I guess. And then for this, and on my diff, and we got some diff mount bushings to do. I already took the old ones out. I probably should have made a video on that, but I didn't. Got some PowerFlex bushings. So just to upgrade it, because I have that transmission out. I mean, sorry, not transmission, the differential out. So while it's out, I might as well do the diff bushings. And let me open these up for you. I got it. So yes, this is what I was wanting, because I did not want to press in one full thing of these. This is 2 pieces. So this is exactly what I was wanting, because one full thing probably would be a pain in the butt. One bushing. Here's the other one. The bushings, some polyurethane bushings. And then comes with some maybe instructions, possibly. Yeah, I think instructions and the lube. PTFE silicone bush assembly grease. So, perfect. So now I'm ready to go. Put the diff back in. There's that. And let's look at this. Alright, guys, so thanks again for watching. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and I may put up a picture of these 2 things installed. So guys, back here really quick, this is so simple to put in. You can literally do it by hand. So there's instructions that it comes with, pretty straightforward. There's a B side and there's an A side. A side goes on the outside of the mount, and then you literally See, simple as that. Do it by hand. B side goes on the inside of the mount. You literally put it on. Simple as that. So there's two sizes. Then all you have to do is lubricate inside here and just slide the steel bushing in, and that's literally it. Simple as that. I am so happy I went with these, by the way, because I saw a video on YouTube of someone struggling to do one that's a one-piece design. So happy I got the two-piece. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys.